Good morning. Let's get started. So, in the last solution, right, there was a question that why is it that we cancel this 4 and 4, right? Basically, we do that because this is an equation and anything which is on the left hand side and right hand side. So, if the numerators are same or the denominators are same, they will eventually cancel out. If you want to see that, how it happens, what we can do is we can take 21x minus 14x 21x minus 14x upon 4 is equal to 6 plus 3 minus 2 by 4, 6 plus 3 minus 2 upon 4. If you are not doing the shortcut, so eventually 21 minus 14 is 7x upon 4 is equal to 6 plus 3, 9 minus 2 is 7 upon 4, right? So this will mean that 7x is equal to 7 upon 4. You send this 4 to the other side. This will become 4 by 1. Now, this and this will eventually get cancelled out. So that's the shortcut that we used earlier. So 7x is equal to 7 implies x is equal to 1. And for any such scenario, right, if the, let's say 2 is equal to 2, we know that 1 is equal to 1. I can write this as 2 by 1, 2 by 1, or 1 by 1, 1 by 1. Now, if you had x upon 4 is equal to 2 upon 4. Now, what does this mean? You can either do a solution by doing x is equal to 2 by 4 into 4 by sending this 4 to the this 4 to the other side and then eventually cancelling it out. But now that you will practice more and more, you know that these two denominators are same, right? So it means the value of x is right in front of you. The same is true for the denominators as well. So if you had, let's say, 2 upon 7 is equal to 2 upon x. What does that mean? It means that what we can do is we can try and solve this by cross multiplying. So this will become 2x is equal to 2 into 7. 2x is equal to 14. X is equal to 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. You can skip these steps by simply observing this, that the numerators are same. Hence the denominators are also same here because this is an equation. The value of x is right in front of you, 7, right? And in exam you will need to save a lot of time, so better to use some shortcuts, but only when you have practiced enough. Without that, don't do it. All right, let's get on to the next question. Which of the following equations has y is equal to 3, 9 by 11 as a solution? Okay, so we don't have much of a choice but to solve these until we get the answer 3, 9 by 11. So we'll start with the first one. Let's do 5y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 47 upon 3 plus 4y upon 3. Okay, so we will bring the variables on the left hand side and the numbers on the right hand side, changing their polarity. So which implies that this will be 5y minus 4y by 3 is equal to 47 by 3 minus 5 by 3. Okay, so 5y can be written as 5y by 1. LCM will be 3. So this will become 3 into 5, 15y minus 4y is equal to 47 minus 5, that is 42 upon 3. So as I explained a few minutes back, you can cancel out these 3 because the denominators are same. So the equation eventually just remains as 15y minus 4y is equal to 42. That is 11y is equal to 42, implies y is equal to 42 divided by 11. Now our answer is 3 9 by 11. So let's check. If you divide 42 by 11, 11 3 is 33. 42 minus 33 is 9. So it is 3 9 by 11. So we are lucky that we got it in the first go, so we need not solve the others. A is your answer. Let's move on to the next one. Solve for x. Solve for x means you need to solve the equation, so let's do it. 6x minus 2 upon 9 plus 3x plus 5 upon 18 is equal to 1 by 3. Again, now all three denominators, 2 on the left hand side and 1 on the right hand side, are divisible by 3. Right? You can try a longer method, or you can try shorten it by dividing all the denominators by 3. So this is 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18, 3 3s are 9. Okay, so your equation becomes 6x minus 2 upon 3 plus 3x plus 5 upon 6 is equal to 1. If you have some confusion in this step that I did here, dividing the denominator, you can try doing it with the as-is numbers and you will eventually arrive at the same answer. Again, more practice will give you these shortcuts. Okay, so no-brainer, LCM is 6. 3 2s are 6, so 2 multiplying 6x minus 2 plus 1 multiplying 3x plus 5 remains as is equal to 1. Let's transfer the 6 here and multiply the left hand side. So 2 6 are 12 minus 4 plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 6. Once again, variables on left hand side, numbers on the right hand side. So 12x plus 3x is 15x. Minus 4 plus 5 is plus 1. This is not 1, this is 6. 6 we sent to the other side. Six. So 15x plus 5 minus 4 is equal to 6. 15x plus 1 is equal to 6. 15x is equal to 6 minus 1 equal to 5. So 15x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 by 15 equal to 1 by 3. So A is your answer. Let's move on to the next one. Which of the following equations is not same as 15 plus 3x is equal to 3? Okay, so we need to solve each of them to figure it out. So let's try the first one. First one, as in A, is 3x is equal to 3 minus 15. Let's bring 15 on this side. So minus will become plus. So this will become 15 plus 3x is equal to 3, which is same as given in the question. So A cannot be the answer. Let's try B. 15 minus 3 is equal to minus 3x. Let's bring it here. So 15 minus will become plus. Let's bring it here. Minus will become plus, which is again same as the question. So B cannot be the answer. Let's try C. 15 plus 3x upon 3 is equal to 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So this is 15 plus 1x is equal to 3, same as 15 plus x is equal to 3. Now this is different from what is given in the question. So C is your right answer. Let's move on to the next one. If the sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 188, find the numbers. Two consecutive odd numbers, okay, and their sum should be 188. So first of all, let's check. Let's look at the options, okay. So option A 87 and then 101. So these are not consecutive because after 87, the next odd number that will come is 89, right? So A cannot be the answer. Then B 92 and 96. So 96 is even number, so this cannot be the answer. So A is ruled out, B is ruled out. Option C 91 and 93, yes, they are consecutive odd, but their sum is 184, so C cannot be the answer. So D has to be the answer, but let's check. 93 and 95, yes, consecutive and odd, and their total is 188. So D is the correct answer. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. This is everyday mathematics. Ram's father's age is 3 years more than 2 times Ram's age. 3 years more than 2 times Ram's age. So in such questions, we will take the variable as Ram's age be x. Okay. So if we have taken Ram's age as x, Ram's father's age how much it should be? 3 years more than 2 times Ram's age. So 2 times of Ram's age is 2x and more 3 years. So it means plus 3, right? So this becomes father's age. Now it is given that his father is 45 years old, which means 2x plus 3 is equal to 45. So 2x is equal to 45 minus 3. So 2x is equal to 42. X is equal to 42 upon 2, 21. But we did not have to solve this. The question was, form an equation to find Ram's age. So the equation is 2x plus 3 is equal to 45. So A is the right answer. Next, a shopkeeper sells bananas in 2 types of boxes, one small and one large. A large box contains as many as 6 small boxes plus 2 loose bananas. Form an equation which gives the number of bananas in each small box if the number of bananas in one large box is equal to 50. So again, we don't have to solve it, just have to form the equation. Now, the equation is telling us that if the number of bananas in one large box is 50, right? So B and D are anyways ruled out. These are 20, 20 in the equation. So we'll look at option A and C. Large box contains as many as 6 small boxes plus 2 loose bananas. Okay. So if we take number of bananas is equal to x, no, we will take number of small boxes is equal to x. So let number of small boxes is equal to x. Now that means large box contains how many? 6 small boxes plus 2 loose bananas, and number of such box. Form an equation which gives the number of bananas in each small box if the number of bananas in one large box is equal to 50. So which means 6x plus 2 loose bananas is equal to 50. So C is your answer. Next, 1/4 of a pole is painted red, 2/5 is painted blue, and the remaining 21 meter is painted green. Find the height of the pole. So let the height of the pole be x. This is what we have to find out. Now 1/4 is painted red, means 1/4 times x is painted red. 2/5 is painted blue, means 2/5 times is painted blue. And remaining 21 meter green. Find the height of the pole, which means x/4 plus 2/5x or 2x/5 plus 21 is equal to x. So this was the first part, this was the second part, and the third part. Adding them all should give you the height of the pole, which is x. So essentially we just need to solve this. So this will become x/4 plus 2x/5 plus 21 is equal to x upon 1. So we'll bring the x on this side. x/4 plus 2x upon 5 minus, because this x coming to this side will become minus, so minus x upon 1 is equal to 21 will become minus 21 here. Okay, so the LCM will be 20, which means 5x plus 8x minus 20x is equal to minus 21. So 5 plus 8, 13x minus 20x, 13x minus 20x is equal to minus 21 into 20. We're sending this 20 here on the other side. So 13 minus 20 is minus 7x is equal to 420 with the minus sign. So x is equal to minus 420 upon minus 7, minus minus cancel, so this is 60. So answer is B. Now you got this minus minus because the sides that we selected, you could have done it the other way around as well, like from this step, right, wherein we got the x to the left hand side, this step, you could have done it the other way, and then you will get the positive values. You can try that for fun. So essentially your equation here would become 21 is equal to x upon 1 minus x upon 4 minus 2x upon 5. This will be 21 is equal to 20x minus 5x minus 8x is equal to 20x minus 13x upon 20. Send this here. This becomes 420 is equal to 20 minus 13 is 7x. X is equal to 420 by 7 is equal to 60. Okay, so that's the fun with equations. Let's move on to the next one. There are some lotus flowers in a pond and some bees are hovering around. If one bee lands on each flower, one bee will be left. If two bees land on each flower, one flower will be left. Then the number of flowers and bees respectively are, what is it? So let's make a flower and let's say this is our bee, whatever, right? Now let's check with first option. So number of flowers and bees respectively. So let's say if we have 3 flowers and one bee is sitting here, another bee is sitting here, another bee is sitting here. So 3 flowers and 4 bees. So there's one more bee lying somewhere here. So is the first condition getting satisfied? That if one bee lands on each flower, one bee will be left. Yes. If two bees land on each flower, so let's say this moved to this moved to this moved to this. So one flower will be left. Okay. So both are getting satisfied. So A is your answer. Next, achievers section. Arjun's father's age, match the following. Arjun's father's age is 5 years more than 4 times Arjun's age. Find Arjun's age in years if his father is 37-year-old. Very similar to what we solved earlier. So let's Arjun's age be age X. And what will happen? 5 years more than 4 times. So father's age is equal to 4 times of Arjun's age plus 5 more years. And what is given as his age? 37. So there you go. You have your equation. So let's solve it. 4x plus 5 is equal to 37. 4x is equal to 37 minus 5. 4x is equal to 32. X is equal to 32 by 4. 8. So Arjun's age is 8 years. So 1 is matching with Q. This one. Alright. Let's solve the second one. So 1 is matching Q where? In option A, option B. So C cannot be the answer, D cannot be the answer. Now let's look at the second one. Ramesh says that he has 8 notebooks, more than 4 times the number of notebooks Anuj has. How many notebooks does Anuj have? So let number of notebooks Anuj has X notebooks. Let's assume. Okay. So Ramesh has how many? 8 notebooks, more than 4 times the number of notebooks. 4 times the number of notebooks that Anuj has. So that becomes 4x plus 8 more. And how many notebooks Ramesh has in total? 48. So that becomes your equation. So let's solve. 4x is equal to 48 minus 8. Sending this 8 the other side. 4x is equal to 40. X is equal to 40 by 4 is equal to 10. So 2 is matching to R. So we have got B as our answer already. But let's check the third one as well. So this was 1. This was 2. In exam, you can avoid doing this. I'm doing this to explain it to you, the equation. Varun says that he has 11 erasers, more than 5 times the number of erasers Samir has. Varun has 56 erasers. How many erasers Samir have? So let's say Samir has X erasers. Varun has, as per the equation, condition given, Varun has how many? 5 times the number of erasers Samir has. So 5x plus 11 more. 11 more than 5 times. And how many in total he has? 56. So that becomes your equation. Let's solve it. 5x is equal to 56 minus 11. That's 45. So 5x is equal to 45. X is equal to 45 by 5, 9. So 3 is matching to P. So 1 to Q, 2 to R, 3 to P. So B is your right answer. Okay. A number consists of 2 digits whose sum is 9. If 27 is added to the number, its digits are interchanged. Okay. So there are 2 digits that the number has. So there is a units place, there is a tens place. Okay. So let's assume that at units place we have x. So at tens place what we will have? Since the sum of 2 numbers is 2 digits is 9. So this will become 9 minus x. Understood this much? So we have assumed let digit at units place be x. So therefore at tens place digit will be 9 minus x, because the sum 2 digits whose sum is 9. Okay. Now which of the given steps is correct? So let the units digit be x. Yes. Then tens digit be 9 minus x. Yes. Number is, now what is the number? The number, since it is a tens place, so we'll have to multiply it by 10. So 10 into 9 minus x plus x, right? Solve this. So 90 minus 10x plus x, which is 90 minus 9x. So step 1 is correct, step 2 is correct. Now we are saying that if 27 is added to the number, its digits are interchanged. Okay. So let's add 27. So 90 plus 27 is 117. So 117 minus 9x is what we will get once we add 27 to it. But then what is happening is, when 27 is added to the number, its digits are interchanged. Digits are interchanging now. So what is at units place will go to tens place, and what is at tens place will come to units place. So step number 4, numbers with interchanged digits is 10x plus 9 minus x. Correct? Because this time we will have, so x now tens place and units place again. X has come to this side and 9 minus x has come to units place. So number will be 10x plus 9 minus x. Solve this. So 10x plus 9 minus x is equal to 9x plus 9. So step 3 is correct, step 4 is correct. Now since they are interchanged now, right? So what will be the equation that will be formed? What we got earlier and what we got now. So 117 minus 9x is equal to 9x plus 9. Yes, this step is also correct. Now therefore units digit is 6 and tens digit is 3. So how do we see if this step is correct or not? Simply by solving this. So 117, bring 9 to this side, send 9x to this side. Okay. 117 minus 9 is equal to 9x plus 9x. So 117 minus 9 is 108 is equal to 18x. Therefore, x is equal to 108 divided by 18, which is 18 का table 6. So x is equal to 6 means digit at units place is 6. Digit at unit place equal to 6. Tens place पे क्या आ जाएगा? 9 minus 6 equal to 3. Yes, step 6 is correct, and hence all the steps are correct. D is your answer. Okay. Last question. Study the following statements carefully and select the correct option. P is equal to this equation, then x is equal to 9, q is equal to this equation, then y is equal to 5. Only way to find out is solving this. So let's solve for P. So 3 x plus 3 minus 2 x minus 1 is equal to 5 x minus 5. Let's solve. So this implies 3x plus 3 3s are 9 minus 2x minus minus plus 2 1s are 2 is equal to 5x minus 25. Careful about this signs. Minus minus will become plus when you are multiplying the negative. Okay, so 3x minus 2x is x. 9 plus 2 is 11. 5x minus 25. So since this is an equation, I can rewrite this as 5x minus 25 is equal to x plus 11. Same thing. So 5x minus x is equal to 11 plus 25 implies 4x is equal to 36. X is equal to 36 by 4 is equal to 9. Okay, so P is correct. Let's solve for Q. Y by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 2y by 5 plus 1. So let's bring the variables here and the numbers there. So y by 2 minus 2y by 5 is equal to 1 minus 3 by 2. LCM is 10. 2 5s are 10, so 5y minus 5 2s are 10, so 4y is equal to, this we can be written as 1 by 1. LCM is 2. 2 minus 3. So 5y minus 4y is y upon 10 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Y is equal to minus 1 by 2 into 10 is equal to minus 5. So y is minus 5. Here what is given? 5. So Q is incorrect. P is correct. So option C. P is true but Q is false. C is your answer. So that completes the chapter. Hope you enjoyed it. Have fun with maths. Thank you.